Wait.
There's a fire truck. Fire truck and
Put out the fire.
put out a fire. Continue bulldozer. I feel fire truck.
Excavator is used in scoops and trucks.
And truck.
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, Dad, see you later. I'm an excavator. Okay. Okay. Stop. Large van. Cement mixer truck. The cement mixer truck is mixing cement.
Or trucks? Trucks?
Monster jam. The monster jams are crushing cars they land on.
Yeah.
And you will see monster truck before.
The truck.
So important. No. They're gigantic. Let's listen to the monster trucks. Monster trucks are big. Monster trucks are loud.
Monster
Trucks jump high in the sky everywhere. So no monster to sound. Monster trucks are big. Monster trucks are loud. Monster trucks jump high in the sky everywhere. So no monster to sound. Oh, monster trucks in the air. Oh, monster trucks in the air. Oh, can you hear the engines run so loud? Let it cover your ears. Monster trucks are great big tires that crush the cars they land on. Next, dump truck. The dump truck is transporting rocks and soils. Excavator. Excavators use scoops and drops cements, rocks, and soils.
Yeah.
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Fire truck. The fire truck is put out the fires. Fire trucks. Fire trucks.
Fire truck in the air. Oh.
Here's a cement bulldozer. The bulldozer is used to pushing rocks and stones. Bulldozer pushing sand and roll steamroller and rolling cement and roll. Next, wait, let me see.
This is the light van. The light van is getting rocks
And wood.
wood and rocks.
Oh.
No more now.
See you later. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.